Good morning to all of you. Myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss over an important topics which are also needful for all of us. That is why we make mistake in our efforts. Most among us make mistake in our efforts. Even a simple work we oftenly make the mistake. That is why we do not get the desired result and we meet with the failures. But most among us do not know the reason why we make the mistake in our efforts. It is the bigger questions before us. So what I think in this regard, there are a few important reason, effective reason due to which we oftenly make mistake in our efforts. This reason is most needful to know about it to all of us. If you know the reason and if you try our best to get it correct, definitely I am sure there will be the less chance of making mistake in any kinds of work, any kinds of efforts what we apply for getting the result. So let us know the reason in this regard. I think the first reason, it is also most effective due to which we oftenly make the mistake, are lack of knowledge about the work. The work which we want to complete, we do not have the deep knowledge, deep information about that work. That is why by having the little knowledge about that work, we oftenly make the mistake, as well as the data and instrument what we use in completion of the work. We do not know about the data as well as the equipments and instrument about it. So due to the lack of proper knowledge and information about the work along with the data and instrument, we oftenly make the mistake. So it should be our duty, it should be our responsibility that we should know more and more about the work along with the more and more information about the data and instrument, equipments what we use in completion of that work. So the mistake which we do in lack of these things can be corrected easily. Next effective reason due to which we oftenly make the mistake in our efforts is working under pressure. It is seen that we oftenly complete the work under pressure. Pressure may be of any kind, that is pressure by boss, pressure by lack of time, situation and place. So we also not having the patience. We do everything hurriedly, we apply our efforts hurriedly, and we also want to get the result hurriedly. So we oftenly make the mistake. We must not do the work under pressure. We should show the patience at every step. We must not be hurried to getting the result. We apply our efforts by feeling freely. So pressure, working under the pressure oftenly make us to do the mistake. So if we do the work without pressure, either the pressure may be from boss, situation, time, place, and if we show the patience at every step, definitely the mistake which can be which are generally arised by the lack of these things can be removed, can be omitted. So we should do our every work under a free state. We must not feel any pressure. We show our patience. Third important things behind it, that lack of proper raw data and instrument, number of instrument, the lack of number of instrument which is really needful to complete that work. If you are not having, definitely we make the mistake. Working under the limited tools and datas always make us for making the mistake. It is also may be the cause that we are not having the sufficient financial status. That is why we are unable to manage the raw data and all the required equipments, instruments, which make us unable to do the mistake. So before I start the work, before thinking the work to complete it, we should manage all the raw data along with the equipments, and also we should estimate what amount, what money is required to complete that work. We should manage everything to avoid these kinds of mistakes which are generally most among us do while working. Next, an effective reason which due to which you always make the mistake is our unwillingly handling the work. Most among us do not pay whole energy, whole heart, full concentration and full focus on the work. That is the lack of full focus, whole heart, concentration. We oftenly make the mistake. Most among us want to do 2 or more different kinds of work at a time. So our energy, concentration, whole heart now here are divided into different parts. That's why we oftenly make the mistake and we are not able to complete any kinds of the work sufficiently. The result what we get from our efforts, we do not get satisfied. That result do not give us satisfaction. So what work we want to do, we should pay our whole energy, whole heart, whole concentration. We should always focus on our work and keep the mind what we are getting, what we want to get the result from the work. So due to the lack of paying the whole energy, whole heart, whole concentration along with the focus, we oftenly make the mistake. So it is advised we should do one work at a time. We must not try to do more than one work, more than different kinds of the work at a time, and we should concentrate our whole energy, whole heart on the work what we want to do. We should also keep the result in our mind. That is why our efforts and energy should be in the same direction. So once more I want to revise the reason due to which we make the mistake. First reason is lack of knowledge about the work, lack of sufficient knowledge about the work along with the raw data and instrument. Second reason, working under pressure, lack of patience. Third reason, insufficiency of raw data, number of instrument, and fourth reason, not paying the whole heart, whole focus, whole energy on work. I think if these things we are able to get it correct, definitely there will be very less chance, less percentage of making mistake in our efforts, and definitely I can say we shall get the desired result what we want to get by applying their efforts. No work is impossible, everything is possible if we follow these things, certain rules, certain condition before to apply the efforts, and on applying our efforts in both of the cases we should keep that things in mind. Definitely we get success in our all efforts, we get the less chance of making mistake, and definitely we can be the milestone, we appears as the milestone for the coming newcomers. I think if you like this video, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also comment me what you want, and also send me the subject topics about which you want to know more and more. I shall try my best to add all these things selected by you in my next video. That video will reach you first. Thank you.